Hello friends, welcome to this channel Fundamentals of Engineering. In this lecture we are going to see how to find out adjoint of a matrix A. So this is the matrix A, which is a 3 by 3, means 3 row and 3 column, and for this matrix we have to find out the adjoint. So for that we have to follow some simple steps, and based on these steps we can find out the adjoint of any matrix. So what are these steps? First we have to find out the cofactors of the given matrix A. Then we have to give the signs for these cofactors based on the row and column position, and after that we have to take the transpose, and then we'll get the adjoint of that given matrix. So we are going to see these simple steps, and based on these simple steps we are going to find out this adjoint of this matrix A. In this lecture series, that is mathematics, we have prepared already some videos regarding adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix, inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, and many others. So you can see the link is available in description box. Now we will start the actual discussion. So we are having the matrix A, which is a 3 by 3 matrix, which is having 3 rows and 3 columns. So first step is we have to find out cofactors of given matrix. So now this is our matrix A, and this is given as row and column position. A11 means this position, first row, first column. A12 first row, second column. A13 first row, third column. Then A21 second row, first column. A22 second row, second column. A23 that is second row, third column. Then this A31 third row, first column. A32 third row, second column, and A33 that is third row and third column. So for this we have to find out the cofactors. So for finding out the cofactors for A11 means for this position we have to hide the row and column. We have to hide row and column. So A11 we are getting. So what is remaining? 1101. So we will write here 1101. So what we are getting? Cross multiplying 1 minus 0, that is 1. So cofactor of A11 is 1. So similarly we will find out for A22. A22 how we are finding out? So I will erase this so you will understand betterly. A22 means this first row, A12 first row, second column. What is remaining? 1101. A1101. So 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 0. So we are getting 1. Then A13 means this first row and third column. So what is remaining? 1100. 1100. So we are getting multiplication 0 0. So we are getting value as 0. Then next is this 21 means second row, first column. So second row, first column. What is remaining? Minus 1 0 0 1. Minus 1 0 0 1. So minus 1 into 1 we are getting 1. 0 into 0 0 we are getting. That is minus 1 we are getting. Then A22 second row, second column. That is remaining 1001. 1001 we are getting. So we are getting a value as 1. Then A23 second row, third column. That is remaining 1 minus 1 0 0. 1 minus 1 0 0. So here we are getting cross multiplying, values are 0. Now we are here at the third row. A31 third row, first column. What is remaining? Minus 1 0 1 1. Minus 1 0 1 1. So what we are getting? Cross multiplying, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 we are getting. Then A32, 3 column and third row and second column, 1 0 1 1, 1 0 1 1. So we are getting here value as 1. Now last one, that is third row third column, what is remaining? 1 minus 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 1 1. So we are getting cross multiplying here, 1 minus 1 into 1, we are getting minus 1. So this value will be 2. So we are getting cofactors of this given matrix as like this. We'll write in a matrix form, that is 1 A12 A11 1, A12 1, A13 0. Similarly A21 minus 1, then A22 1, A23 0. Similarly A31 minus 1, A32 1 and A33 2. That we are getting cofactors of given matrix. That is our first step. Now second step, we have to give signs to the cofactor based as the negative or positive sign based on a row and column position. If we are getting addition of row and column position, as even value, then give positive sign, If we are getting addition of row and column position, that is odd, then give negative sign. So we will find out first signs here. A11, addition of 1 1 2 we are getting, that is positive. 2 and 1 3 we are getting, that is odd, this will be negative. 1 plus 3 4 positive. 2 plus 1 3 odd, negative. 2 plus 2 4, this will be positive. 2 plus 3 5, that is odd, negative. 3 plus 1 4, that will be positive. 3 plus 2 5 odd, negative. 3 plus 3 6, that is even, that is positive. So this is the signs for the cofactors. So we are having cofactors of A. What is that? We are having this one. So I will write again and then I will give you the sign. So we are having cofactor of A, that is 1 1 0, minus 1 1 0, then minus 1 1 2. Now based on these signs, cofactor of A will become, based when we give this sign, this will become as 1 positive. So this will be 1 only. So minus for this position, so 1 minus 1 will become, so 0, so as it is. Then minus this will be plus 1 we are getting, then plus 1 0 will be as it is, then plus and minus sign, so we are getting minus 1 here, then here minus sign, here it is a plus sign, so we are getting 1 here, and positive, so it will be plus sign here we are getting. So this is our cofactors after giving cofactors of A after giving sign. Are you getting? So this cofactor we are getting row and column based on the interaction between row and column, right? And this cofactor we are getting when we are given the sign by following the second step by giving the sign. So now third step, we have to take the transpose of cofactor matrix. So again I will write the cofactors of A. We are getting cofactor of A what we got after giving the sign, that is 1 minus 1 0, 1 1 0, minus 1 2. So now we have to take the transpose of this cofactor matrix. So in transpose, row becomes column. In transpose, row become column. So the transpose of this matrix A transpose, we are getting what we have seen. In transpose, row become column. So this row will become column, this row will become second column, this row will become third column. So 1 minus 1 0, this is the first row. Second row will become second column, 1 1 0. So third row will become third column, minus 1 2, minus 1 minus 1 2. So now the last step, adjoint of matrix, adjoint of A, matrix A, that we are getting after all this position, that is 1 1 minus 1, then minus 1 1 minus 1 0 0 2, that we have taken the transpose. Are you getting? So here we have taken this transpose and we got the matrix at the adjoint of this matrix A, adjoint of this matrix A. That is our final answer. That is our final answer. Are you getting? So this is our final answer for the matrix A. This is our adjoint. So now find out the adjoint for this matrix and solve and put your answers in comment box. So adjoint of A is what, and for this adjoint of A is what. So put your answers in comment box. Put your answers in comment box. If you have missed the earlier part, the link is available in description box, you can check it. So watch full video and solve these two matrices to find out the adjoint. So if you like it, place the like button and share the content. Always stay connected and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.